So it's finally gotten to that point where I don't really have enough money to do this whole grocery shopping, cooking, eating 6 times a day. It is what it is, like I did good for 2 weeks, you know what I'm saying? I gave it my all. I was weighing my food and all that. But unfortunately, the circumstances of life, or that I have, my circumstances currently, my living situation and all, it's not financially the best thing I can do or should do with my money. It's just right now it's very, very tough to do. Fortunately, you need money to buy food, and at that you need more money to buy good tasting, organic food. Hey man, it is what it is. What I got from this is I actually enjoy intermittent fasting. So that's something I'm certainly going to implement now into my lifestyle.